Hey, welcome to Start Funnels. My name is Scott Anderson. Today we're going to talk about 10 affiliate marketing programs that you can use now and in 2019 that are very easy to get started. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so affiliate marketing is an awesome way to make money online. You can do it all from a laptop computer and maybe even from your phone, okay? So one thing that I would suggest is that you want to choose programs that you like and that you know that when you refer them that those people like it. A mentor told me that this is a win-win-win opportunity. It's a win for you because you're going to get a commission. It's a win for the person that you referred because they're going to be happy you referred them a good product, and then of course the company that you are referring, they're going to be happy too because they got to sell. All right, so let's start with one that's really easy. It's called Wix. You guys have probably heard it, but it's a really easy drag and drop website builder. I'd say anyone that's starting completely scratch that wants to build a website, this would be a great program. Guys, it's $100 for every person that you sign up. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Just $100, boom, boom. So if you refer to everyone every day, it's $100 a day, okay? Next is Shopify. Now this is a website builder, but it's more tailored towards e-commerce websites, okay? You guys can make up to $58 per sign up, and it says that you can make up to $2,000 for each plus referral. Really, this could range from anywhere in between, but it could be really easy to make $58 up to $600 depending on which package that they choose. So that's just a one-time. So is Wix. It's also one-time. Okay, now let's talk about ClickFunnels. They're one of my favorite affiliate programs. Why? Because they have an amazing community, lots of teaching behind it. But the greatest thing is that it's 40% reoccurring revenue. So the first standard kind of plan that someone would get with ClickFunnels costs $100. So that's $40 that you could potentially be making every month, okay? ClickFunnels is, just to explain a little bit, it's a easy drag and drop funnel builder, okay? Now you can build websites with doing this too, but funnels are kind of like these bridge pages that you may have heard about. And anyway, you can do a lot with ClickFunnels. It's super convenient, super nice. So this is a great way to make money online right here with ClickFunnels. Multiple ways to make money, but being an affiliate for them is fantastic. If you get 100, then you can have the opportunity where they will buy you your dream car. They will spend up to $500 to $1,000 on a car. $1,000 if you have 200 signups. So here's 57 people that have won the dream car, okay? The next one could be you, all right? Okay, the next one is Thrive Themes. This is if someone is using WordPress as their website kind of platform. Guys, you can make up to 35% commissions one time when they first sign up for a theme, and then if they get into their like monthly kind of club thing, then you can make 25% commission. So pretty sweet. Guys, I need to talk more about ClickFunnels. They're fantastic. If you want to promote any program out of any of these, I would suggest ClickFunnels. There's a great community behind it. So then there's Thrive. So we talked about Wix, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Thrive. Those are all kind of website builders that anyone out there needs to learn how to build a website. Those are some great opportunities that you can refer people that will be a win, because all of those are fantastic programs. Okay, the next is kind of going into email marketing. Guys, email marketing is huge. I would refer people to ActiveCampaign. The reason why is because lots of people that I follow in the online space say that ActiveCampaign is the best way to automate stuff. And guys, you can make up to 30% recurring commissions on referral. And the great thing is that, you know, the more people that are, the more emails that you have, the more contacts within an ActiveCampaign account, the higher that commission is just going to get, right? So it's like a tiered based thing. So anyway, that's a great thing. Starting commission is 20%. So, and that is reoccurring, guys, okay? The next is get response. It's a little bit easier of email autoresponder. You guys can make up to 33% commission or reoccurring commission month to month. So that's pretty outstanding, the 33%. So that's another email marketing platform. The next is Bluehost, okay? So if someone is using a WordPress site, they need to host. And if you get a domain, which you can get a domain through here, blah, blah, blah. Guys, $65 per sign up, pretty stellar, because anyone that's building a site needs to have a host. And so $65 is pretty awesome. Next is this program. It's called BERUSH, but it's promoting SEMRUSH. It's great. It's 40% reoccurring commission. This is the best platform that I'm aware of to help you with keywords and helping you find your niche within your business. Okay. Next one is Amazon Associates. We've all heard of Amazon. You guys can earn up to 10% per commission. I threw this in there. I know that it's small and it's only per item, but the thing is that, as we know, everything is on Amazon, and it should be very easy to refer people. In fact, you could even refer someone just by sending them a text. Be like, hey, I know you, when we were at the barbecue, you asked me what kind of barbecue stuff I was using. Here it is. Here's a link to it. It's right here on Amazon. Okay, super easy. And then the last thing that I'd say is my mentor has this awesome course that teaches all about affiliate marketing. Right now, the program sells for like $800. I'd honestly dare to say that if you've got some money and you're just getting started, invest in this program. And as you do, you will learn so much about affiliate marketing. They talk about, his name is Spencer Meekum. He talks about, sorry, I'm freezing up here. He talks all about paid traffic, free traffic, the best programs to do affiliate marketing, etc. He just dives right in, nitty gritty. He's made up to $1 million revenue with ClickFunnels. And you guys can refer this program to others and make 50% of that. So that's like $400 for anybody that signs up. Spencer is the real deal. He's very honest, true. I would say this is one of the best programs, the best courses to take for 2018 and 2019. You will learn all the right stuff to help you succeed. So guys, there are 10 awesome affiliate marketing programs to refer to others that will get you money in your pocket and make other people happy as you share them with them. So guys, that is it. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you for watching. Please hit that bell notification if you'd like to be notified of any other videos that I share, and please subscribe, guys. I appreciate that. So have an awesome day. We'll see you on the next one.